Good morning, dear students. It's your first period of computer science. In continuation of chapter 2, in this period we are going to discuss about the following topics, that is renaming any file or folder, deleting any file or folder, and searching any file or folder. First of all, to rename any file or folder, we will follow the following steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be renamed. Step 2. Right click on it and select rename option from shortcut menu which pops up. Step 3. Type new name and press the enter key. You will notice that the name of file or folder has been changed. In this way, you can rename any file or folder. Now, deleting any file or folder. Files and folders can be deleted using right click method. The following methods we can follow. Step 1. Select one or more files or folders to be deleted. Step 2. Right click the file or folders that you want to delete and choose delete option. A delete file or dialog box appears. Click yes to delete. Student, you will notice that the file or folder has been deleted. The file or folder gets deleted, it will move to the recycle bin. Students, recycle bin is just like a dustbin of computer. Now, searching any file or folder. Computer is used for storing information so that we can retrieve it whenever we need. Sometimes we forget the location of our file. Windows offer a number of ways to find files and folders. One such way in using searching box. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. You can search for a file if you remember the file type, if you remember file name, if you remember date you last worked on that file. In order to search a file or folder, we can follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. You will find search box at the bottom of pop-ups. Step 3. Type part of the file or folder name. Step 4. As you type the items that match your text will appear in the Start menu window. Select the desired file or folder. It will open in new window. In this way, you can search any file or folder. I hope that all the students understand the topics I discussed above. You can also take the reference from the book and also try to do the book work listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.